tell you the truth, that's common sense, you know.
Dada, hold on now. Me I go say something to you. Dada, hold on. Yeah. Me I go be reasonable with you. Man like you need to not use no more common sense. Because you know what we are dealing.
Yeah, it's all about, you know, thought process. You have to think about it.
Respect.
You get some deal thoughts. You know, say that can't work or that can't work.
True, Dada.
This you know, say, pork not so tender that I take you a whole heap of time if you just jerk it straight.
True, you talk. True.
You just kind of cook it first.
Tenderize it. Oh, you mean? I say, if it when me I eat jerk pork, I say all the bone me chew up this evening, Dada. Me I tell you the truth.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. My coat not look like it just a burn now, Dada. I glimpse it, the coil. You see that, Dada? Yeah, man. The coat not a burn now. Yeah, greatness. I see it, my people. Alright. So when you're done now, you do so and you take him out and you put him down, make him go on. Cool off. You see me, Dada? Yeah. They are used to this, you know, Dada. What you say, man? They are used to this something, Dada, man. No, you say no bunny, no, but just like when current give you a little tingling, if you make it stay too long, you know, I have a flash. Respect. Yeah, man. Team vibes outside, my people. Oh, you mean? Colaz TV, large. Oh, you mean? Me say, me I tell you, you couldn't hold the camera for me, little Dada. Oh, you mean?
Jamal, come in.
Big up Sham. Shamika?
Yeah.
Big up Sham. Dada why?
Right.
JC, me say a long time, me don't watch your channel, baby. Big up JC, okay? JC and soon can get her big up, but she get her big up too. You know how vibes go already, don't Dada?
That's right, man.
One family, Colaz TV.
Real.
The Scenic family.
Real.
Protection, art of love, respect out there from Godfrey. Alright. Dada?
Blessings, you know?
Here's a blessing to we all.
Yeah. Right.
To we all. Because I see you reach out to find a wheelchair to. Sure. Big up, Dada. Big up, Dada. Big up, Dada. Big up, Dada. Big up. Press a channel name. I advertise it now, man.
Well, I channel no billets still, but by today we start out still.
Alright. T-bag. T-bag. What go on? Everything good?
They are going to watch, you know? Go and watch it pat for you.
Me not subscribe to your channel yet. Eh?
Wait.
Me ask you.
Well,
You never see me comment?
Well, me never that too, you know?
Alright, T-bag. Me I go comment again.
Alright.
You hear?
Alright.
Big up yourself, because you're a general, you know.
Alright.
You're a presser. Alright, the DJ's wicked flag, them people. In my bridge, my brother current. Look, in my bridge, my brother current. Look at people. Look at people. Yeah? Alright, so see it, my peeps. Check in, stay tuned, watch what I go on, you know. We're here and yeah, adventurous. So that is it. Murphy, big up yourself, big up your status. Murphy, how you mean? Wicked. Murphy, somebody come give me a pitch to me and call on Wicked now. Can I make a thumbnail with it? Or we have with the team like this, yeah. Hold on. All right.
Yeah, man, people check in. We are deep at a chicken now, so I go on tonight, you know. See it there? Jump up that time, man. At the same time, yeah, it was smooth and everything, because eat wicked nice, so you just put a piece of stick and turn it around. You see it? Look at that. Well seasoned, you know. Pimento leaf, same way for the spice. And you don't know, so you know the pimento berry itself, you can use the pimento leaf, you know. So we just make it go and cook and go and get tender. So we flip it because one roller hog, well, half of one roller hog. So we soon flip it so the back leg will get go down in it. That will get it. Yeah, man. Bubble and go on. So we just left it, go and cook down the same way. And also we check in back when we get to set up the filter, we make a custom grill. Turkey. That's about the time, you know. Without here, without here. So I go on. So I'm going to stay tuned on what's going on. Why people? The fire red. Yeah, man, I saw it red, man, because we don't plan to spend the whole day up there. Yeah, man. Yes, come on.
That is it.
Coolest wicked, I one of the Colaz cement fire that you know people. You know my fire wicked already, you know, but them man a fire. You know normal, you know. St. Mary man, you know. So you know I keep it on fire.
You see that? Yeah, man. That is it. Yeah. Alright, I take more and take that video, yeah, you know. That means I can. How you mean? The bad team out, the good team outside. But we love the badness, so. I mean that, man. I feel some way. Yeah, man. Alright. I make it go off. I make it go off 40. Yes, sir. Make it go and stay. I don't want it something there, you know. I want to put it on undisturbed first. You see it? Yeah. That is it, my people. You see that? Nice and lovely. Look at the view, my people. Honestly. Yeah, man, I'm out here with Colaz TV and family. Yeah, man. Greatness. You see that, my people? We are out here. Yeah, in the hills, in the mountains. How you mean? I have seen this view many a days. Many a days I have seen this view. I never knew I would have been here like this today. That is it. Greatness. So, how you mean? Stay tuned and check in what you are going. Alright. So, see it, my people. Look how the place beautiful and green. You see that? How you mean? Nice and lovely up on the hill here. See that? Good. Alright. Greatness out there on the fireside, my people. It's Murphy. Yeah, man. Murphy Adventure. How you mean? Yeah, man. That is it, officially, you know?
We're just having a drink, you know?
How you mean? Greatness. Yeah, man.
Joyful moment.
Yeah, man.
Yes, no, man.
Right, same way where Dada reach round and so it. Alright, Dada, that is it. Dada go build up the thing there, you know. Dada study for build up the thing where for grill the pork pan. You see that? Seeing them people, DJs wicked vlogs, we outside, you know. You might have a drink of champagne, no split feet back on ears and then we're there. You mad? Yeah, man, it's official people. That is it. Principle, you know, that is it. I love my general then style. I don't want them catch me with no weed back on my ears. Well, I say then catch me already with one little piece, I think. But I say I have to try disguise it fast. My people. Sure, I never mean none of that, you know, but that's just my bad habit, that my people. So stay tuned, stick and stay, watch what I go on. I'm out with the whole team and family. That is it. Yeah, man. That is it for true, you know. See it, my people. Oh, you mean, at the pork in the pot, you know? Yeah, man, at the pork. Yeah, man. Boil up them people, get tenderized when the jerky is sweet. You see that, my people, how you mean? Them piece of coconut, them people are settle down, cool down, soon can eat pan. That is it. Greatness.
Yes, if you want to at it, you know. Whole team socks. Colaz cement, the boss. Big up man with there. I'm active, you know. Yeah,
man.
Feel some way. Yourself, you know, so I finally check in with the boss. Yeah, man. Finally check in with him, you know.
Yeah, man. That's true, man. Yeah, man. There are some loyal people from day one, Colaz, for you post my video the first time. There are some loyal subscribers when I leave my channel. Respect. Yeah, man, honestly, man. Yeah, man. Genius works, you know. See my people. General cut some the peg on. Yeah. No man, can't beat it round it man. Put it over that side there. They come over. Ah, yes. That is it. And the pork grill this in my people. Yeah man.
Original settings and settings of people. But they never know about, you know, the iron pan business. I want to turn this up.
Yeah, go on. Yeah.
Go on and suck it up. Go on and see our next one, father. No man, make it go wider, that's it.
Yeah.
Boy, me chat bad, you know, me a Jamaican, you know. Where you say go, me start good.
Yeah.
Why, people not be see with me, you know. You know, me chat bad. But we are work with it.
Just cool, DJ. Just cool, DJ. Just cool.
Yeah, man.
Bless
Me say
him.
that man are intelligent from him, a baby, you know.
Yeah, I'm do me Colaz. He said we're born intelligent. Don't Colaz. See one of the next born intelligent man, them people. Yeah, great Colaz to it. You see me and the family. See some born intelligent man, men's here, my people, or man, anyway they want to call we. We're grateful. Because, you know, we are father, we are parents, so that is it. Greatness. Murphy. When your girls then see you later and say, Murphy, your name long so in the comment section. You're a star, you know, Murphy. I tell you, Charger. Oh, you mean? The general, I check in iPad, let me see if I can get a quick piece of that. See that, my people? Watch the look how the pork water bubble up. I said, oh, you mean if it a lick my nostril, you think me there for me dumb? Yeah, me nah no sense. You see me? Yeah, man. What go on? You want to take it off?
Yeah, we have to flip that.
Alright, hold this, that's wicked. Hold this, a genius. That's all him there for me. I could lift off the pack they put on.
Shoot.
Yes, sir.
Shoot. That's how me done too.
That's a part take off.
Yeah, fast and quick, man.
If you know if it.
Yeah, man, fast and quick, man.
You know, cook it, you know, what we are going to do? We are flip.
Yeah,
So that leg can go down, you know?
That is it. Get some way.
People looks like cook already, you know? The color, it's so far, you know? Well season.
Eat a flip, you know?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no, man.
Pass, I take them, man.
Yeah, man.
Colaz
I'm
himself.
responsive, you know, people. Yeah, man. Anything them man I do well, do, you know? Yes, no, man.
Great man.
As me say, wife later when you watch this, don't get
Study
jealous,
cooking.
you know,
President, Charger live, I feel up the court that, you see?
Yeah, man.
my wife is there already, you know. Wife here say, think it's easy. Cook him go over to go eat.
Tell the people them. Yeah, man. Cut it up, yeah. Eating people. What's some more wild coffee? Yeah, and pimento stick. I can cut one couple pieces of pimento stick too. No, not like that one there. Look, yeah. Look. That's too big, man. And that's me, that's it. Eat them, my people. Let's give me. Yeah. Yes, my people, that is it. Some more of the pork stick them, you know. Yeah, cut that way down there. Yeah. Can't get two and take it. Put your hand there, sir. That is it. Oh, yeah. Yes, my people. Enough love and greetings to you all. Godfrey's outside checking in, you know. Yeah, man, Colaz TV and the family. Link up. Yeah, man. DJ Wicked Vlogs. You know what I mean? Big up these boss. Yeah. Jamaican at them best. Yeah. Jonah lifestyle. Big up my team, you know. That is it, my team. Good. Greatness out there, my people. He's just wicked there. And me and him alone get to come out today, you know, my people, just because they don't know circumstances. So, yeah, that is it. But we're outside and active with the family, you know. What kind of school? Oh. You're careful of the school, yeah. You want to go down there?
Yeah, in a Portland there.
Okay, I don't know it.
Yeah, man. I never pass before you.
Wow. What's that there, sir? Don't go too far down with that.
Supposed to get all eat now, sir.
I think so. Time. Cut 1, 3, 4 more of them wild coffee there. Yeah, and 3, 4 of them. That's how we have more than less this time. Don't? Yeah? Yeah, I mean. See, I'm a people. We're fully active out here. Yeah. But it can look stick already, you know. So then chop down. But you know? Yeah. Yeah, man. I never look, you know. I know a girl that big, you know. I tell the DJ, say, sing more song, DJ more tune. And he said, that can't hold the fans. I said, no. Right. And that one they can't get two out of. Right thing. Right thing, yeah, though. That is it. I mean. Take your time, boy. The next nice one there. Yeah. Oh, next nice one. That is it.
Then I call fish pot stick, you know, people.
Fish pot stick, yeah. I told you, the power in them, man, they can live for long, wild coffee, and they're strong. We use them the whole heap of things. We set good old print. We set good old print with them too in us wicked day. Yeah man, good old print. Yeah man, good old print. Alright, we are gonna check in for that.
Very soon too.
Yeah, no problem.
Epic one.
Epic one.
Yeah man.
You see me? Me think them I can cut up now and reach, you know? Come. You can hold the phone. Yes, people. Nice. Yes, people. The boss said I cut them so I might carry them. You know them style. Alright. Good old fish pot stick them people. Yeah, man. A nice straight sticker people. Yeah, man. Like a over center must them there. Yeah. The nice sticker they over the place, man. Yeah. But me I tell you, peeps look pan and look what I see. Jesus Christ, that nice stuff. You know, the boss are working cutlass. Like me I go interact with that enough people. That we say now go hold the stick. See they will go cross it so. Clear that. Which one?
Right down to your over to your machine so. Alright.
This now I go
Yes, peeps, the boss at work, you know. Great Godfrey has born, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yes, peeps, the boss at work. Make sure all the last good argument, you know. Drop it again.
Open eye.
Yes, peeps.
Feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the sky.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, Radam, yeah. Look like they're ready to the court on the road. That's a style of people. So that's style of people. Alright. You have to trick me on the grass. Great Godfrey that at work, people.
Yes, Canterbury. Great man. One little machine handy. It's rough.
Oh, the team checking people.
Where's that thing, Dan?
Yes, peeps, that's how the pork I go put, you see me? Fire underneath this, you know,
Let's
people.
go, Dada.
Fire underneath this, you know.
Let me mash it.
Check in, people. Check in, people. The great Godfrey has born. You know, the great Colaz in the place. Yes, no man, what a joy, people. Yes. I don't know. I don't only gully there we are free, you know. But I say, you know, go down gully there. I read that we walk over that side there. Come down.
Hold on, not gonna further yet. This is two nice ones. Yeah, I cheat up there.
Watch a style of people. Boss a fling at.
Yeah, go up in there. Lord God, go on now.
Watch a style of Radam. Active, fully. Yeah, man, of course. That tree there, don't know climbing up, people. All that easy from run up in that too, man. Yeah. Yeah, truth. Yes, people, check in. Look how the boss are run up in that like nothing. A Indian, you know, people, you have to see with him. A Indian, I saw Indian work, you have to see with him, you know? Yeah. I saw Indian work, people, you have to see with him, you know? Yeah, man. I saw Indian work, you know? In light, you know, people. Like a cock. Me say people, man, like a cock. Yeah, man. Yes, man. Alright. Talk truth. Support that this is the kid climb. Yo. You. Alright, dry as them there, no people. Low and dry coconut them the people. Beer dry as. You, me a fear. Just miss your bag and your rope. A video, I want to try to get a good video for you, so do a pick nothing. Alright. Do your maths again.
You good?
Yeah?
Alright, that is it.
That is it. That is Godfrey has born. Because people know me chat bad already.
No. I meditate if I throw them up on the inside then we come down easier. Yeah.
Try one.
Eh?
Shoot yourself.
Hold on. Outside people, the boss in a tree there. You know what they do.
Ready, watch yourself.
Out there.
Yo, you man, find it. You, bring it up. Bring it up. Go, man, two. Again.
Yes, people, we out here active, you know. Yeah, man. Colaz Smith and the team. You don't know we out here, man, active, you know. Nah, man. Yeah, that's... Great Godfrey has born in the tree. Yes, no man.
One more. Put on the man. You want to eat first one to drink? Sure. Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa, where I go, Jelly?
Stand up.
Jelly wicked it stop though.
Yeah. Coming down, alright.
Check in, people. See me how he go in and just walk out back, people. You ever see that?
No, sir. So I'm going to walk out that tree. Boy.
Yes. That is it. Alright. Me there see where you put it from, sorry.
I'm
tired. I'm putting it up. That's my people. A skills, but a rough work. Have to be very careful. Kids, please do not try this at home. Good. Wait till you can master your craft. Okay, kids? That is it. Ready for the journey, people. Chop water and sweet now. Chop one, so. Well. Then ready. A chop good. The food and big. How chew and big. It's not chop good. Put it down. Yo! Excuse me now. That's when I can't cover it. Come here. See that? Hello. Yeah, make sure you with that thing on too. Thank you. Next time. Alright. General, the next one, I will drink the next one. Then I mean. Start going up. We have it in a canter. See it canter. Yeah man, I hear we have it. You done bad, you know. Got a good video personal youth. Yeah man, it's terrible man. Neat man. Yeah man.
That was quick. Just have to get my phone.
Oh, she said we have a few more to chop.
Hey, have more?
Oh, so I go and prepare for you with that one. Who want to drink this ladder? Alright. Yeah. Alright, yeah. I want to DJ that with that. Yeah, I want to do the phone go up there.
Chop one of them and put on to me, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah.
I mean, so when we hear that voice already. Oh, Mom, you want to catch this yourself? All right. That is it.
On our boat circle, really. Come on, shit and come. Oh, then maybe they want to eat a meat. Stop that.
And that me I say me I want that me catch you.
You know what the hell that skill? You want your coconut meat to eat? Okay. True. Alright, when you're ready, you call me then. No haste. Here? You tell me to cut it for you when you're ready. Okay?
Yes. Check in people, check in. Show no what go on over. On the side there. Yeah, this is for the hog. Good old Trenton, you know? All Trenton lovers. Yeah. Look on the rig up there. You see what I go on, people? Check in. Me I hold 2 camera one time. You don't know? DJ Wicked Vlogs, fully wicked. So. Yes, peeps, a great DJ Dalvey that's in the place, you know.
No, I don't.
Don't know.
No, I don't picture
Check
no,
in.
I don't picture them one.
Oh, video.
Yeah.
So you soup so what? Yeah.
Oh, yeah, the fire contact.
No.
We are comedian, you know. No, what you want?
Man, me no more smart when no for use camera, man. More start the camera of the shoot, you know. Try that if you want to.
Oh, you know, young man.
So that's why I tell us some more video, man.
No, you want a video girl.
You know what we're at.
No, I'm not a video girl.
Yeah.